Hey guys, wanted to give one final update on Nautical Nonsense and also tell you about a new YouTube channel I have coming up. I have an introductory video over there, but not much content yet, but there will be content showing up in a couple of weeks probably. But I will leave a link at the end of this video on the new page, and you can go there and watch a video. It'll tell you what it's about. But just wanted to say farewell to Nautical Nonsense. She will be missed.